It's time for my annual roundup of my favorite things I've been loving around our home, and I have some pretty exciting changes that I will be sharing with you guys. But before we kick things off, thanks to our friends at HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. We have tons of exciting projects going on in our home. We are going to be ripping out our guest bathroom, shower, and bath surround. And if you have one of these and you want to change it, you may want to stick around for that process. And our flooring and our hardwood, here we come, and new window treatments over our patio door. I'm a little exhausted thinking about it, but I cannot wait. You can customize your order if you're a vegetarian, when you want your food delivered, and how many people are in your family. You are in control. HelloFresh is now $6.99 per serving. Below I have a great offer for you to get started with 8 free meals. That's $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. Go to HelloFresh.com and enter my promo code BeMyGuest80. Get started with 8 free meals. That's $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. Go to HelloFresh.com and enter BeMyGuest80. My family loved pasta, and I thought the cremini and zucchini spaghetti was perfect to try because it was loaded with vegetables. I'm sauteing the onions in olive oil inside one of my favorite pans. It's by the brand Masterclass, and I got it from TJ Maxx in case you're interested. It's a non-stick coating, it's soft grip handles, and it's the easiest pan to clean. You will love it, you guys. After the onions were softened, I added the rest of the veggies, the zucchini and the mushrooms, and let everything cook until it's slightly browned for about 3 to 4 minutes. Get the most for your moolah. Home-cooked meals are made simple. Get seasonal recipes and pre-measured ingredients delivered straight to your door every week. It's one less thing to think about when you get home from work or school. Everything is pretty much done for you. The following evening, we had chickpea powdered Mediterranean couscous with zucchini and heirloom grape tomatoes that are my favorite. And one thing I have been cutting back in our diet is pasta, and I've been using this vegetable spiralizer that's great for fruits as well. Just add this gripper to the bottom of the zucchini and turn, depending on which side you use, this is how it comes out. This option is way cheaper than buying frozen zucchini, and you really don't get that much for your money by buying it in the bag. The spiralizer is the way to go. For the Mediterranean couscous, I've already washed and prepped our veggies. This meal was not only satisfying, but all of the meals come together in 30 minutes max. It calls for less than 2 pots and pans and require minimal cleanup. And speaking of minimal cleanup, I also purchased new sheet pans, and they are also by Masterclass, and they're also from TJ Maxx. They're not only durable and heavy duty like my pots I shared with you earlier, but they match my growing collection of cookware. To my surprise, garbanzo beans have a high fiber content, which is great. I drained and rinsed the beans to prepare them for roasting. The recipe called for salt and pepper, olive oil, and bake for about 20 minutes or until crispy. While they are roasting, I started cooking my couscous, and all was needed was 1 tablespoon of butter, garlic, and scallion whites and stock concentrate. Let it cook until it's about al dente for about 10 to 12 minutes. Feta cheese was added to the top of it. It really was a delicious meal, and it paired well with a nice glass of red wine. On the third night, we had sweet potato fajitas with pepperjack cheese and pickled jalapeno. Again, all of the veggies were fresh and everything was all set, even down to the condiments, and all the veggies were washed and prepped. This recipe called for cooking red onion and green pepper until softened or lightly charred like this. I'm making roast sweet potatoes. They were washed and cut into 1/2-inch thick wedges, and I added a teaspoon of oil and a teaspoon of Southwest blend seasonings and let it bake until tender and lightly crisp. Now I'm making the salsa. Toss together the tomato, diced onion, cilantro, and squeeze a little lime juice and a little salt and pepper, and you're ready to build your sweet potato fajita. One thing I can say about eating the vegetarian plan was that we really did not miss the meat. It was very satisfying and very delicious. I'm also loving our new 4-panel squared frosted glass laundry door. It's modern yet stylish and timeless. Our laundry room has no windows, so adding this door to the space has really freshened up the space. And if you're looking to add a door like this, check out Lowe's for special pricing because this door was custom. Experience pure luxury with 100% real roses that last a year. You heard me right. a whole year, this is the perfect gift to give someone in your life real roses. This arrangement was given to me by Venus et Fleur, and it comes in so many colors and sizes. And this one is at your higher end, but they also come in smaller sizes. I will provide a link down below if you want to give that special someone in your life eternity roses. Linen closets are the most cluttered and one of the most difficult closets to organize, at least in my opinion. Here's one of many attempts that I've made to keep our shared linen closet together, and here's a second attempt to keep it all together. I'll leave a link to both videos down below. And now the hubster and I are working on a third and final attempt. We ripped out the old wiring and the hubster carefully measured for our new IKEA pack system that we have here. My goal is to go for a built-in look without the built-in price. It's going to be epic, you guys, and I'm going to share every detail with you very soon. And I'm going to share how I organized it. So be sure to stay tuned in for that. And go to HelloFresh.com and enter my promo code BeMyGuest80. Get started with 8 free meals. That's $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. Go to HelloFresh.com and enter BeMyGuest80. And I want to thank you all for watching.